Today we're here to talk about Barrow. Got in some GPU blocks for you guys, some CPU blocks, and some other accessories. Check us out, www.FrozenCPU.com. I'll be your host, Max, to show you this quick product we have to display for you. Right here I have an Asus Strix Barrow acrylic and copper GPU block. Into the box. Now you know I can't open a box though. Alright, inside here's a Barrow company card. You get a nice full color manual with English on it. Alright, very clearly written. Okay, always appreciate a full color clearly written manual. Anyway, getting in, your thermal pads for the project are going to be these blue and black pads. Alright, definitely going to need those. This particular block does include two stop plug fittings, just black with a green O-ring. Need a little bag of accessories. Pretty nicely packaged. Alright, anti-static bag, Barrow block. Alright, so here it is. A nice acrylic unit for you. It's got this plate on it, sort of like a thermal take or an EK block. Looking at the back side, fully nickel plated. This is for the RX 480/580, which can be a really nice card to overclock. Kind of a large block for that card, but a lot of it they just have this extra acrylic portion on either side. So kind of a bigger block. It'll fill up space nicely if you need it to. Alright. Here's your inside portion, your in and out. Everything's acrylic on here. This does have RGB capabilities for certain motherboards. Barrow has their own controllers you can use, and I believe it does have functionality with stuff like Aorus and other more motherboard RGB headers. So anyway, in there's your fin density. Not too bad, not too shabby. Not an incredibly heavy block. Felt heavier before. So it's good. Nice size, get a nice foam box. It's available today. FrozenCPU.com. Sell these for $99.99. Great price to get your GPU water cooled. Right here. Give us a